Okay, folks. This one says identify the different parts of a polyhedron. Okay. Can anyone tell me what the name of this thing is? Raise your hand if you can tell me the name of this. And not a pentahedron, but its other name. Okay, read what you got for me. All right, this one is a rectangular pyramid. Beautiful. Okay. Now, there are parts to this shape, to this solid. Okay. There are the flat parts, and we call those the face. Okay. Then there are the flat part is called the face, and then the edges, like these sharp lines, I just said what they're called. These things are called edges. And then where the lines meet, these points, this is called a vertex. But if there's more than one, we call them vertices. Okay? You'll sound smart if you say vertices. That's the way I make people think I'm smart, even though I know different. Vertices. Okay? Now, let's go down and we're going to talk about, they've given us an example. And I'm going to go ahead and scratch this part off because I added the figures in here for us. You don't need to go look at a certain page. It says, count the faces, vertices, and edges of the polyhedrons, okay, of these four things. All right? Okay, well, let's look at them. First, I'm going to call on you guys, and I'm going to have you give me some numbers, okay? All right, Shannon, how many faces does the rectangular prism have?
5.
Is it 5? Let's see, it's got a top, a bottom,
6.
a right. It's got 6, right? Okay, 6 faces. Okay. How many faces does the triangular prism have? What do you think, Judd?
5.
It's got 5. All right, nice. Nice. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good. Hannah, what about the rectangular pyramid? How many faces? It means how many flat sides? 5. Good. Grayson, how many faces for the triangular pyramid? 4. Okay, good. All right. Now, let's look for vertices. Vertices, remember, are the points. Megan, can you tell me how many points do we have, or vertices do we have on the triangular pyramid?
5.
Let's see, is it 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, I think. Is that right? Here, 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 here.
In the back.
There's a point
In the back.
in the back? Not a point, right? Okay, so just 4. 4 points, okay? Now, let's look at the rectangular pyramid. Let's see. Connor, how many points on the rectangular pyramid? Well, let's count them on the bottom. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what up here? 5? Is that right? Good. I'm sorry. I'm answering for you. So I'll stop that. I'll step back. How many vertices for a triangular prism, Luke?
There's 6.
6. Nice. Very well done. And then the last one, the rectangular prism. What do you think, Chloe? 8. Nice. All right. Now we got 4 more that we've got to do. We've got to find the edges. Okay. And these things are related. The number of faces and vertices to the edges. I'm going to ask you in a minute to kind of try to figure out how they are related. Chase, how many edges on this rectangular prism? That means how many lines does it take to draw that picture?
Well,
12. Perfect. Okay. Let's see. How many lines does it take to draw this picture, Grayson? Is it 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Nice. Okay. Judd. Oh, next video. Thanks, Judd.